welcome back, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me for my baby shower. It is now 10:49 and I have to leave the house here at 12:30, so I think we have a good amount of time to get ready, but knowing me, quien sabe. So let's start getting ready. I am going to be using new makeup that I just unboxed in my PR unboxing. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it up and down below. And some stuff is just things that I know will work because I don't want to go too crazy because I don't have time to like take it off and all that because it is my baby shower. So let's start off with the brows. I will be using the Urban Decay Brow Beater Microfine Brow Pencil and Brush. I will be using the shade Dark. Okay, so I'm just going to spoolie my brows. My brows have been growing in pretty good, you guys. Pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with how they look right now. Oh, you guys, Nana's gonna be here before we know it. Today we will be revealing her name at the baby shower. So excited. Most of you already know. Most of you already guessed it. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go in. I never use this brow pencil, but let's see. This is pretty nice. It's really nice. I think that looks pretty alright. Alright. So I have been having a lot of Braxton Hicks. I'm hoping the Braxton Hicks because that would be, oh my gosh, if she comes. I keep joking, but I'm like, she's gonna come after the baby shower, I know it. But I really need her to chill in there a little bit longer. Nana currently weighs 5 pounds 11 ounces, almost 6 pounds. I think she's going to be my heaviest baby. Well, yeah, the rate that she's growing, she will definitely be my heaviest baby. I'm pretty excited. I cannot wait. I can't wait to just wake up and be like, the baby's coming. Or if we're gonna have to schedule, like, you know, the date and everything, that's fine. She's very active, and I feel like her stretch because I feel her like knee or elbow over here and another over there. Like she's constantly moving around. It's freaking funny. I love it. I love it. And since this is my last pregnancy, I am enjoying every minute. There might be times where I cry and stuff because like I'm in pain, but I'm truly grateful. Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. We will be using Almond to clean up underneath our brows. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Brow Tamer. This is the Flexible Hold Clear Brow Gel by Urban Decay. Ooh, this is really nice. Okay, love, so Urban Decay was so sweet and sent me this amazing PR package. And it is Born to Run eyeshadow palette, their 3 eyeliners, setting spray, and their 3 lipsticks. Here is the eyeshadow palette. Here is the back. Here is the outside. That is so pretty. Oh, this is fancy. Here is the palette. And it has a really good, decent size mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my dollar emoji tape. You guys can find it at your local dollar store. Go in the craft section and it will be there. Well, I can't say 100% it will be there because each dollar store is different. But okay, so I'm just gonna use the rest of this Born This Way concealer and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. I was contemplating whether or not to get my nails again, but Nana is again very close to her due date, and I was like, you know what, let's not risk it. Props to the mamas who can have long nails, because I would be such a crybaby if I accidentally poked her or something. I would be such a crybaby. We're gonna go in with Reef, and we're just going to apply this in our crease. I'm not gonna go too crazy with the eyeshadow. Ooh. Okay. I'm not gonna go too crazy with the eyeshadow because I will be wearing a really pretty soft mauve-ish pink dress, so I don't want to take away from that. And I want it to look nice. I just want to look, oh, so cute, you know. So we're just going to, that color is pretty. So you guys know I love oranges, so we're gonna go in with the shade right here. I really like the way that blended out. Why am I not using this mirror? Yeah, I really like the way Reef blended out. So oh, we're probably gonna use Stranded. And we're just going to apply, oh, don't. Ooh, these are look at that, pigmented, you guys. Yes. And I even tapped off some of the shadow, you know, you go beep, beep, beep. I even did that and it still was like, what up? We see you, I see you. Okay, I'm gonna go more in with that Reef color. And I'm just going to lightly add it above here because the concealer, you can see it poking through. Now we're gonna go in with Hellride. This palette is pretty. And we're just going to add it right there at the end just to give us a little woohoo. And blend. Okay, so we're gonna sort of cut the crease, but not really cut the crease. I want to use this shade right here, which is Stranded. It looks so pretty. Let's go in with Stranded. Ooh, that's pretty. That's way pretty. I like that a lot. So pretty. And then we're gonna, so we're gonna go back in with Hellride. I really like how good the pigmentation is. It's really, really good. Blend that at the end of the eye and kind of just like buff it in just so that it's all smooth. I see. So then we're gonna add a little bit of Punk. Okay, just a little bit, just to give us a little bit more of boom. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with eyeliner. We will be using the Balm Swing, and this is a black liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is like super duper black and it dries matte, which is awesome. And I love the tip. The tip is really thin and precise, so you can get in there and wing it out. Okay, I think that's as sharp as I'm gonna get them, and that's okay. So I'm going to tightline using the new LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner, neon eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Blackout. I love their eyeliners, super, super pigmented, and they glide on like butter. I hate tight lining, man. I hate it, I hate it. Okay, it's 11:30. We're making good time, I think. So I'm just going to curl my lashes using the Revlon. You're giving it to me now?
Alright.
You jerk. Let me see.
I got the receipt. Like, they pulled up with the same stuff or something like that.
That's so cute. Oh, babe. Dude, I can't wait to see her little patas. Oh, dude, thank you.
Alright, you got that.
You know, you both do. Why do you do that?
You both are. You, me, Mariah.
I would do that with you too. Everybody did it. Everybody just said, man. Oh, that's so cool. What is it? The musical night light mirror? Oh, that's cool.
There's something that you can see in the back mirror or something like that.
Oh, heck yeah. So she, oh my gosh, it comes with a little remote.
I think that's weird.
That's so cool.
Keychain or some shit like that. I don't know.
She's gonna be a bougie baby. Give me a hug, dude. Thank you. So, I will be using the MAC Prep and Prime. I've never used this before. So, it's a MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. A really awesome FAMBAM member, Tony, sent me this. So, shout out to Tony. Thank you so much, babe. I see you on the gram. Thank you, thank you. Oh, this feels pretty nice. It feels like a lotion. So, I'm gonna really hydrate my skin just because my skin has been changing. And this feels so good. It went on like lotion and then it dried just like a nice like silky smooth kind of velvet finish. Yeah. Next we'll be going in with the Smashbox and Vladia Petal Metal Primer. You guys seen me unbox this and this looked good and I was like, we're using it. Okay, so we're just gonna smack that on. Okay, next thing we're gonna go in with these two foundations. We're gonna go in with the Born This Way, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in beige and the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This one is in cashew. I like the little mix it gives. Make sure to always shake your foundations too. Shake, 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 shake your booty. Shake your booty. And I'm gonna go in with the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick, and this one is the tapered foundation brush. And I'm just gonna mix those two foundations together. Okay, get a nice little mixing going on, and we're just going to add that on our skin. Lightly dabby. So what I do, I just like blend, and then when I get around to my eye area, you never want to go harsh under your eye area, and just make sure you blend. Even when you're using a sponge, make sure you just blend everything. So we're gonna go in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. This is in the shade 22.5 Medium Honey, and it's like a little bit does go a long way. So I'm just adding a little bit like that, and then we're just going to apply. Ooh, and it's a yellow. Yeah. Just gonna apply a little bit like that with my finger, kind of warm it up. Okay, that's why I'm like moving it around, and then we're gonna go in with the Morphe sponge and then just work it in. Highlight the nose area, and we're gonna use my holy grail, Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. If you guys have not tried this out, you guys need to try it out. You guys are probably like, she's just saying that, but I'm not. Like, it really is really good. I wouldn't recommend something that doesn't kick ass, because then you guys, let's say someone does buy it and then they try it out and they're like I'm okay, I'm not gonna take her advice, that is not good. So I would never tell you guys something is good if it wasn't. I'm gonna like pretty much set my whole face, but in sections. So while that's baking, let's go in with the Makeup Shack lashes. These are Decay. Okay, now going in with the Too Faced Peach Sweet Glow. We are going to contour. So we're gonna go in with this shade, the bronzy shade. And we're going to contour very lightly, nothing too harsh, because again, I don't want to take away too much from the dress. Okay, so to add color to our bottom lash line, we will be using the Urban Decay Torch. It's like a really pretty canyon color. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Reef. You guys got 30 minutes, like, don't stress.
We're ready. We're just waiting on it.
When I was born. Ooh, perfect pair. Okay, so I'm all done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Regresa a casa cuando quieras.